interesting about our office, so let's go and see. So we are in front of the office building now, and let's move in and see what happened here. So now we're at the second floor of the office building, and all the workspace here are made for collaboration, but still we reserve some individual spaces for our workers. And you can see here, Zoomlion prioritizes creating opportunities for employees, and also will provide them with excellent training and support when needed. So from the small rooms to large meeting rooms, we have perfect settings for every occasion. And you can see there are some advanced devices here to make sure the productivity and efficiency of our workers. Healthy work, healthy life, and we focus on the work-life balance here in Zoomlion. So you can find some gyms or cafes in the workspaces. Additionally, Zoomlion offers free dining hall services. On working days, we can have free lunch for every staff here with a bunch of options. And there's also, we have some special meals on special days to mark some key cultural moments. We even have free transportation points. There are more than 50 free buses to assist employees with short or long commutes. Actually, we not only have factories in China, but also have other factories in Italy, Germany, Brazil, and other countries. Hope to see you in another factory tour video in the future. Thank you, bye!